So you just left the shop. Alignment sheet says everything is green, but the car is still pulling to one side. If you're fighting the steering wheel right after a perfect alignment, the problem is almost always a defective tire, even if it's brand new. It's a tough one, because all the computers and printouts say your car should track dead straight. Your hands on the wheel are telling a different story, though. Now, most folks jump to wheel balance, but that causes a vibration, a shake you feel in the seat or the wheel, not a steady, constant pull. And since a pro just confirmed your alignment angles are within factory spec, a bent suspension part is pretty unlikely. When you've cleared the usual stuff, you gotta look at the tire itself. The problem is a hidden defect from the factory called Radial Pull, or Conicity. You can't see it with your eyes. A good tire is basically a perfect cylinder. Think of a can of soup. It's built to roll straight. A tire with this conicity issue, though, is built slightly cone-shaped, kind of like a paper cup. This happens when the steel belts inside the tire, its backbone, get misaligned during manufacturing. We're talking by just a few millimeters, but that's all it takes. So the tread can be full, the air pressure can be spot on, and it will look totally flawless. But its internal structure will always want to make it turn, just like that paper cup if you roll it across the floor. The flaw is just built right in. The good news is you don't need any fancy machine to prove it. There's a simple test that'll tell you for sure if a tire is the culprit. Okay, first thing you do, find a safe, flat stretch of road where you can consistently feel the pull. Note which way it's going, left or right. That's your baseline. Next, you are going to swap only the two front tires. Move the left front tire to the right front position and the right front tire to the left. Don't touch the rears for now, and get a torque wrench on those lug nuts to bring them back to your vehicle's spec. Don't just guess with the impact gun. Now, go drive that exact same road again. If the car was pulling left before, and now it pulls hard to the right, you've found your problem. The pull followed the tire. If you want to be absolutely certain, there's one last step. Take that problem tire, the one you now know is causing the pull, and move it to the rear of the car on the same side. Bring the good rear tire up to the front. Now drive it a third time. The pull should be completely gone, or at the very least, so faint you barely even notice it. This is because the rear tires have almost zero influence on steering direction. This last step completely isolates the bad tire and confirms the diagnosis without a doubt. Once the pull reverses with that front tire swap, the debate is over. That tire has to be replaced. Is it a major safety risk right this second? Not usually. It's not going to cause a blowout tomorrow. But fighting that constant pull puts non-stop one-sided stress on your steering system, your tie rod ends, the steering rack, all the bushings. Over thousands of miles, it just accelerates wear and tear, costing you money down the line. If the tire is pretty new, say within the first 25% of its tread life, or less than a year old, it should be a simple warranty claim. Any decent tire shop knows exactly what radial pull is. Don't let them blame your car when the swap test gives you clear proof in hand. So before you pay for another alignment or start throwing money at suspension parts, try this simple swap. It costs you nothing but a bit of time, and it'll give you a definitive answer.